Thunderstorms can catch urban dwellers off guard, making preparation paramount. Start by assembling an emergency kit with non-perishable food, water, flashlight, and batteries. Essentials for any urbanite. Ensure your living space is fortified. Secure windows and doors to prevent wind damage. Communication is key, so have a battery-operated radio and keep your mobile devices charged for real-time updates. Establish a plan with your family, designating a safe room away from windows where everyone can gather. Above all, stay indoors and avoid using electrical appliances to safeguard against lightning strikes.